Hi again. Before you watch this, watch the other video that's linked to this lesson in assignments. Then come back to this. Word Work Lesson 2, Short and Long Vowel Sounds. Let's review. What are the vowels? They are A, E, I, O, and U. In Foundations, we learn their short sounds. Let's say it together. A, apple, A, apple, a. E, ed, E, ed, e. I, itch, I, itch, I. O, octopus, O, octopus, ah. U, up, U, up, ah. But the vowels also have long sounds. The long sounds are when they say their name. A, safe. E, peat. I, pine. O, home. O, home. U, mule. It's also U, rule. Today we're going to think about words with short and long vowel sounds. After you watch the video, open your notebooks and make a T chart. On the left side, write short vowel sounds. On the right side, write long vowel sounds. Then see if you can think of 4 words for each category. Don't write the same words you wrote yesterday. Use your powerful brain and think of some more. Can you think of 2-syllable words? A short vowel sound in a 2-syllable word. Cupcake. Cup. Ah, that's a short sound. A long vowel sound. And a 2-syllable word. Oh, keeper. Keeper. Like a bee. Oh, I can even say beekeeper. Someone who takes care of bees is a beekeeper. Now you fill in the rest. When you're done, ask your grown-up to send a picture to your teacher on Class Dojo. See you soon.